Is your powerful Dyson V12 suddenly struggling to clean, making odd noises, or just pushing dirt around? Chances are you're experiencing a common culprit, a broken head cleaning module. The Dyson V12 head cleaning module is absolutely essential for effective cleaning. When it's damaged, often from debris getting caught, motor wear, or accidental knocks, your vacuum struggles. This means reduced suction, scattered dirt, and ultimately a much less efficient clean. Ignoring this Dyson V12 cleaning head, problem doesn't just leave your floors dirty. It can put undue stress on other vital components of your vacuum, potentially leading to more extensive and costly repairs later on. It's like trying to sweep with a broken broom. You're putting in the effort, but getting nowhere. But there's good news. At RoboCare, we specialize in diagnosing and fixing these precise issues. Our approach is thorough and precise. We don't just guess, we diagnose. Using advanced tools and our extensive experience with the Dyson V12, we pinpoint the exact fault within the head cleaning module. Whether it's a worn-out motor, damaged brush bar mechanism, or a broken internal component, we'll find it. Then we perform a seamless head cleaning module replacement using only genuine parts. You can trust that your Dyson V12 is in the hands of true experts. Now, let's see the difference RoboCare makes. And just like that, the RoboCare difference. After our expert head cleaning module replacement, this Dyson V12 is back to peak performance, tackling messes with incredible efficiency. See how it effortlessly glides, leaving nothing but sparkling clean floors. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I can't recommend RoboCare enough. If you have a Dyson V12 or any handheld vacuum really, and you're dealing with a broken head cleaning module or any other issue, don't hesitate. They are true experts in Dyson V12 repair and have incredibly efficient service. They've earned a customer for life with me. Reach out to them. You won't regret it.
Don't let a broken vacuum ruin your day. For any Dyson V12 repair or handheld vacuum issue, trust the experts at RoboCare.